Hello friends, welcome to ICU Nurse YouTube channel. ANA Anti-Nuclear Antibody. ADA Adenosine Deaminase. PRBC Packed red blood cells. DHS Dynamic hip screw. RBBB Right bundle branch block. LBBB Left bundle branch block. MRCP Magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography. ERCP Endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography. CRIF Closed reduction internal fixation. ORIF Open reduction internal fixation. Push tool Pressure ulcer scale for healing. VIP score Visual infusion phlebitis score. LAMA Leave against medical advice. ESR Erythrocyte sedimentation rate. D and C Dilation and curettage. NPH Normal pressure hydrocephalus. MLC Medico-legal case. PPH Postpartum hemorrhage. PIH Pregnancy-induced hypertension. PCV Packed cell volume. ENMG Electroneuromyography. FNAC Fine needle aspiration cytology. CECT Contrast enhanced computed tomography. HRCT High resolution computed tomography. DOTS Directly observed treatment short course. URSL Ureteroscopic lithotripsy. PCNL Percutaneous nephrolithotomy. GRBS General random blood sugar. ICD Implantable cardioverter defibrillator. EEG Electroencephalogram. MCH Mean cell hemoglobin or mean corpuscular hemoglobin. MCHC Mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. MRI Magnetic resonance imaging. MRA Magnetic resonance angiogram or MR angiography. MRV, magnetic resonance venography. HTN or HT, hypertension. DM, diabetes mellitus. NOF, neck of femur. DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. PCT, procalcitonin. HCO3, bicarbonate. pH, potential of hydrogen. VS, vital signs. CT, computed tomography. ER, emergency room. ETA, estimated time of arrival. I and D, incision and drainage. LMW, low molecular weight. PID, pelvic inflammatory disease. UTI, urinary tract infection. APH, antepartum hemorrhage. THR, total hip replacement. TKR, total knee replacement. LRTI, lower respiratory tract infection. LSCS, lower segment caesarean section. PLBS, post lunch blood sugar. RBS, random blood sugar. LFT, liver function test. FBS, fasting blood sugar. CBP, complete blood picture. TC, total count. DC, differential count. BTCT, bleeding time and clotting time. PS for MP, peripheral smear study for malarial parasites. PT, prothrombin time. AFP, alpha fetoprotein. HCG, human chorionic gonadotrophin. RA, rheumatoid arthritis. HSCRP, high sensitivity C-reactive protein. PPC, puncture proof container. LH, luteinizing hormone. dsDNA, double stranded DNA. IgG, immunoglobulin G. PPE, personal protective equipment. CRRT, continuous renal replacement therapy. DNR, do not resuscitate. HOB, head of bed. NPO, nothing by mouth. CO, complaints of. Post-op, postoperative. ROM, range of motion. BM, bowel movement. AFP,